Marine biology, marine affairs, oceanography, and other programs in our sciences are some of the most popular majors here at Hawaii Pacific University. And it only makes sense that here at a university where our main campus is thriving in downtown Honolulu, we are also very proud of our beautiful oceanside campus here at Makapuu along the southeast shore of Oahu. Aloha! My name is Brenda Jensen and I'm the Dean of the College of Natural and Computational Sciences, and this is the Makapuu Campus. Something that sets us apart is the way we incorporate our surroundings into the teaching and learning experience. Many students are on the water in their first semester aboard HPU's research vessel, the Kaholo. Many are in the water in our scuba diving and research classes. Here on the Makapuu campus, alongside classrooms and labs, are a couple of HPU's research centers that will give you chances to apply what you are learning and gain research experience that will make you competitive as you finish your undergrad degree and move on to a job or to graduate school. One is HPU's Center for Marine Debris Research, where we apply science to the growing crisis of plastic in the world's oceans. And another center of opportunity for our students is the Oceanic Institute, where ongoing research and hands-on work takes place aimed at developing best practices in aquaculture with a focus on preserving resources for a fast-growing global population. Many opportunities here at our Makapuu campus are open to students in all majors. Here at Hawaii Pacific University, the combination of being just the right size with excellent faculty members, the most diverse student body in America, and everything that this location has to offer all add up to an experience that really can't be matched anywhere else. I'm looking forward to seeing you here.